Good morning, students of grade 3. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Student, this is our second lecture of chapter 13, more about lines. Children, we have learned about lines in chapter 12 and lecture 1 of chapter 13. Let's children revise. Here are different types of lines. Line, there are two arrowheads, no ending point, straight line, curved line, line segment, two ending point, ray, one ending point and one arrowhead. Now, in this lecture, we learn about more lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines, horizontal lines and vertical line. First of all, we know about parallel lines. Parallel lines, two lines that do not meet each other at any point and the distance between them remain the same are called parallel lines. Now look, the figure line AB and CD are parallel to each other because they do not meet each other and the distance between them is also same. Now, MN parallel to OP, EF parallel to GH. The symbol of parallel line is AB parallel to CD, EF parallel to GH, MN parallel to OP. In this figure, line segment AB is parallel to CD and line segment AD parallel to BC. Can you think of some example of parallel line in your daily life? Have you seen a ladder? These two sides of the ladder are parallel because they do not meet and have same distance. And another example of railway track. These two lines never meet and same distance. The opposite edges of both are parallel to each other. Opposite edges of ruler are parallel to each other. Now look, the shape of triangle. Is this a parallel? No. Sides of a triangle are not parallel because they meet this point and have no same distance. Now, intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? Two or more lines which are meet at a common endpoint. These lines cross over each other and do not remain at the same distance from each other are called intersecting lines. Here are three pairs of lines which meet at the common point which is 0. This is the common point. These lines are cross each other. So these are intersecting lines. They have no same distance and they meet at the 0 point. Now vertical lines or standing lines. Vertical lines up to down and down to up. Standing lines or vertical lines. Horizontal lines or sleeping lines. Or right to left and left to right. These are horizontal lines. Here are some examples of vertical and horizontal line which we can see in our daily life. Objects in vertical position. All these objects are in vertical or standing position. Building, pencil, oil bottles, crayons. The boy is standing position. wicket, oil bottle, tree, milk pack, juice and cupboard. These all objects are in vertical and standing position. And now sleeping position or horizontal position. This boy is sleeping in vertical form. Scale, school bus, books, truck, engine, car, aeroplane and bus. All these objects are in horizontal or sleeping position. This question is also vertical form and this question is in horizontal form. Okay children, we revise this lecture. I am showing you two pencils in my hand. Now children, put your pencil in your hand and practice as I have shown you. Two lines are parallels, same distance and no meet each other, no cross the lines, same distance, and this line is cross intersecting line. This is a common end point. Intersecting lines and standing position, vertical line, sleeping position, horizontal line, vertical line, parallel position, parallel line and intersecting line. Okay children, in this chapter you will learn how to identify and draw parallel, intersecting, vertical and horizontal lines. Now children, do definition parallel intersecting lines in your copy. Book work exercise 13.3, page number 130. In these lines, which are parallel and which are intersecting, and write parallel or not parallel lines. Page number 130 in your book. And definitions are parallel lines and intersecting lines. Definition of parallel line: some two lines which keep same distance from each other and do not meet at any point are called parallel lines. The symbol of parallel line is AB parallel to CD. Parallel lines, two lines जो आपस में नहीं मिलती हैं और उनका डिस्टेंस सेम होता है, उन्हें हम parallel lines कहते हैं. The definition of parallel lines, and these are figures. Figures draw in your interleave page, and parallel lines definition in your copy. Intersecting lines cross over each other. They do not remain at the same distance from each other. Cross the line, they are meet and cross to each other. Do not same distance. These are intersecting lines and draw in your geometry copy, interleave page. Parallel lines, intersecting lines definition in your copy. Now open your worksheet page. Page number 39. Now question number 1, page number 39. Name each of the following. Choose from one these parallel lines or intersecting lines. A, parallel or intersecting? Yes, parallel. B, also parallel. C, intersecting. D, intersecting. E, intersecting. F, intersecting. G, parallel. H, intersecting. I, intersecting. Okay, now this is a cuboid shape and question is name all the vertical line in the figure. Okay, vertical line standing position. Which line are standing position? AE, DH, BF and CG. There are all lines are in vertical form. And name the horizontal line in the figure. Horizontal means sleeping. AB, DC, HG, EF. Now question number C, write down 3 pairs of parallel lines. Which lines are parallel? Same distance. AE parallel to BF. EF parallel to GH. FB parallel to GC. AE parallel to DH. Now children, look your homework. Copy work, definition, parallel lines, intersecting lines. Book work, exercise 13.3, page number 130, and worksheet, page number 39. Okay children, Allah Hafiz.